We are doing chicken piccata, an Italian classic ever since the 1930s. I'm Monica Chaveniak, here with Fearless Cooking. Stick around. Chicken piccata has been around for quite some time, but it actually in Italy it's veal piccata, and it's a classic, very thin scallopinis. But the turn of the century, with all the Italian immigrants to the United States, they created chicken piccata, and it's perfectly fine. So it's an American-Italian dish. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pound them. So I have here some chicken breasts. I'm just going to pound them. Use the flat size of your pounder, and then just do all these. So we're just going to drench it a little bit in flour, not too much. Just skip it off here like that, and then do the next one. It's important that your chicken or your veal is rather thin, because you want to cook this in just a few minutes, but we don't want a whole lot of flour on it. And we'll do the same here. Going in with a couple of blobs of butter. You need butter for this dish, don't be shy. Get in there. Love cooking with butter. You don't want to burn your butter. So we're going in with the smooth sides of your chicken down first. Always put your meat away from you so you won't burn yourself, it won't splatter at you. Do this. We're going in with some salt. Not a lot of spices in this. Salt and pepper is basically all. We're going to turn it over now. Look at this. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And we're doing the same thing with salt again and the pepper. Now we're going in with our capers. Very famous pig's bush. Very aromatic spice. And use some of the brine that's in there. Going in with lemon juice. And we're going in with some lemons. Hello, can you see me? Yeah. Look at this beautiful complexion I have. Anyway, going in with some just lemon zest. Keep turning your lemons when you do that. And don't be shy with the lemons in this one. There's no cream, there's no stock, there's nothing. The original one is just the original sauce. One more blob of butter. That's all we need to make this our perfect sauce. Make it just the way it is. Supposed to be. Look at this. Ah, of course. There we go. Beautiful piccata sauce. Which, by the way, piccata means sauteing, slicing, all kinds of words. Just put some lemon. What's better than to top it all off with a little basil? Chicken piccata. A beautiful dish. Very fastly done, in no time. If you have any kind of scallopinis, chicken, beef, veal in the home, make this. It'll be delicious. I hope you enjoyed this session. And please don't forget to subscribe, support my channel, that would be really appreciated. In the meantime, be fearless in your kitchen.